Mommy's leg was under her right here.
Because of
then
the wave.
The wave was coming back here. Then I started, Mommy couldn't pick me up. And I got eyes.
And you bleed?
And I bleeded really, really bad. And I go to the doctor where all the doctor stuff was in there.
How many Band-Aids did you get?
3.
5.
5. Yeah. Dad, are you gonna go home? He's gonna come here the next day.
Yeah, cool. Hello?